What is up, YouTube? As you guys can see, we got the STI and we got some mods, so that can only mean one thing, and that's always good. So we're gonna be doing the first power mods to the STI, and today we have the COBB ride line intake paired with the access port and their bypass valve. I'm gonna be running their OTS tune until I get more power mods, because I've never had an issue with it in the past, and it works. So I have their ride line intake paired with their bypass valve. I don't remember entirely where I put the access port, so I literally found the box. Like, I know where I have the box, I just don't know where the access port is. Like, it just disappeared. So if I can't find it, I might have to order another one, but that does not matter because we're gonna be doing this install. But don't mind my rinkety dinkety intake over here. We're just, you know, being held on by nothing. The removal is actually pretty simple. You just go like this and you just yank it out and then lose all the, yeah, you just lose all the clips that roll around. And you drop it in your engine bay. Right, that's done. Okay, I don't really want to destroy the maps. Oh look, that's not even on! Yeah. I don't. Okay, I can't remove that one. I have to actually unscrew it. But this might be one of the quickest installs because I am missing half the bolts. So as you guys can see, we got the ride line intake installed. Everything is all bolted up. We are good to go. I had to order a new access port because I lost mine. And then I also had to order a new battery because the car's been sitting for quite some time. So it kind of went out. So I bought the Grimspeed lightweight battery kit. It includes their mounting kit, whatever you want to call it. And then the Odyssey battery. Should lose about 20 pounds, give or take. And then the access port, obviously, we're going to need to do the rest of the installation. So the battery is installed. I got everything hooked up. The battery was not as easy as I anticipated. Thankfully, I have the 2021, so it did not require any modification. If you have like a 2015 to I think a 2018, maybe, you have to do like some trimming around the terminal. But this was just slapping, ready to go. It is hopefully charged. But next up, I want to do the bypass valve, and then we are good to flash the tune on and hear this bad boy make some beautiful noises. So we're all good to go. Intake is ready, bypass valve connected, battery all good. So we are ready to start installing this access port so that we can get our tune on and have a fun time. So all we gotta do is grab the access port, grab the key, take our little cord that came in the box, connect OBD2 port. We patiently wait for it to load, install. I have a mount for this thing. I forgot. It goes like right here, so it's kind of nice. I just don't really want to take the head unit out right now, but not too hard. So after confirming it on COBB's website, we got 93 octane, aftermarket catback, COBB access port, right COBB ride line intake. It says to do the stage 1 plus, which is what I thought we were supposed to do. Please don't brick my ECU. Car's gonna do some funky things real quick. The tune does flash pretty fast, and as you guys can see, I chose the black faceplate, which is an accessory that comes in the box. Looks pretty cool, but by the time I'm done talking, I mean, we're going to be done uploading it to the STI. And then one thing we got to set, even though I'm literally probably never going to use it, it's still fun just to have, would be launch control. Sounds pretty cool. I literally am never 10,000 RPM. Let's not do that. I think I previously had it set to like 5 grand, 5,500. But okay, I think we're good to start the vehicle. I think it's time for a good old-fashioned cold start. So hopefully the GoPro had good audio and you guys could hear the bypass valve and the intake really well. I just want to say a big thank you to COBB Tuning for sending the intake out, the bypass valve, and the access port. That's pretty much their Stage 1 Plus package, and if you guys want to know the verdict, is Stage 1 Plus worth it? Heck yes. In my opinion, it really is. Especially if you guys are just willing to have a basic daily driver. Like, that's pretty much what this car is set up right now. It's got coilovers, exhaust, and some light engine mods. So if I just want to have a car that looks good and drives well, this would be money. If you don't want to do anything more power-wise, you just want to have it around like 300 wheel horsepower, this is perfect. And for the price, it's really, really good. More specifically, the WRXs have issues with their tunes. They got rev hang. They just have other inconsistencies, and so getting an OTS tune or even a Pro tune is just going to be literally a game changer for any WRX. STIs are a little bit better, but I mean, they still benefit greatly from having the tune. The access port, I don't even have it connected to the car because I don't like looking at it. But after many different shirt changes and many days of waiting, that is going to be all for today's video. So thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, stay tuned for upcoming content. So I hope you guys have a good one.